Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs with runny yolk. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them cook more evenly. You'll also need a good non-stick pan, ideally around 8 inches, to prevent sticking and ensure easy flipping. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our pan. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is crucial for controlling the cooking process and achieving that perfect runny yolk. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. Let it melt slowly until it's fully liquid and slightly foamy. Swirl the butter around to ensure the entire bottom surface of the pan is evenly coated. This creates a non-stick layer and adds flavor. Carefully crack your 2 eggs directly into the warm, buttered pan. Try to keep the yolks intact. Cook them undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. The whites should begin to set around the edges. For that perfect runny yolk and gently cooked whites, spoon some of the hot butter over the yolks. This basting technique helps cook the top of the egg without flipping, ensuring a delicate, soft yolk. Once the whites are fully set but the yolks are still beautifully liquid, carefully slide your fried eggs onto a plate. A gentle touch here prevents breaking that perfect yolk. Season them immediately with a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground pepper to enhance their flavor. These are fantastic on toast or with your favorite breakfast sides. For more great tips and to truly change how you think about money, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Enjoy your perfectly fried eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.